Hi, my name's Lily from Sharp Shots Photo Club, and today we're going to learn about perspective. So in order to make your photographs stand out, you really need to try to take your photographs from either up high or down low. Try not to take it from your eye level. So either lie on your tummy in the grass and take a picture across the grass, or stand up on a chair and take it from a bird's eye view, okay? If you see here, with this photograph, we have done a little bit of an optical illusion. We've placed the dinosaur really close to the camera and asked our students to run back and stand looking towards the fake dinosaur. So we've made the dinosaur appear to be the same size as the student, which is quite fun, isn't it? If you look here, we've done the opposite. We've asked the student to come really close to us, and we've placed the cow quite far away in the frame. And all the student's done is brought his hand up just to pretend that he's holding the cow in his hand, which is quite fun. I reckon you can do this with your brother and sister at home. Do you want to have a go? The next picture I'd like to show you is of this rotunda, and the photographer has lied down on their back and shot straight up. So kind of like an ant's eye, an ant's perspective looking straight up of this rotunda, really making it look larger than life, which is quite an interesting view in comparison to shooting straight on. And the last picture, which is one of my favorites, is the lovely little Lego minifigure positioned right in the grass, and then the photographer on their tummy shooting through the grass, making it appear like a jungle. And I reckon you can do that in your own backyard. You should definitely give it a go. So the key to taking great photographs using perspective is to think about how you're going to take the photograph. Are you going to be high? Are you going to be low? And then also whether or not you'd like to include a prop in the picture. And once you've got those, off you go. Thanks for watching. We'd love it if you could like and subscribe to our Sharp Shots Photo Club YouTube channel. And it'd be great if you could leave us a couple comments about our perspective top tips. And we'd love it if you could post your photographs on Instagram so we could see how you use these top tips. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon.